Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm just doing a little tutorial for you guys. This is a more colorful look. I don't know what I'm going to call it. It's just super colorful. It reminds me of Lisa Frank, reminds me of the sunset. I don't know. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you want to learn how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is moisturize my skin. I've been using the Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. I love this. I have dry skin, and this has really helped me a lot with dealing with the flakiness and all. Moving on to my brows, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, of course, in the color Blonde. This is my Holy Grail eyebrow product. Okay, since this is going to be like a colorful look, I am going to go ahead and do the eyes first. So I'm just going to apply some concealer to my lids. So for the eyes, I am going to be using the NYX Ultimate Brights palette. I don't really know what I'm doing, so I'm just going with the flow. So we'll see what comes up out of this one. So the first color I'm going to take is this yellow color right here, and I'm just going to blend this up in the crease. Using that same brush, I'm going to go in with the orange right next to the yellow and put that right underneath the yellow. So I'm going to go back in with that yellow and just blend this out a little bit. Next I'm going to take this shade right over here. It's like a coral color, and I'm going to put that right below where we put the orange. And I just want to deepen that up a little bit. So pretty much I'm just going back and forth between the coral and the orange and just trying to get the perfect gradient that I want. Okay, so I'm ready to go ahead and cut my crease. So I'm just going to take some concealer and I use a really small detailed brush because I need to. Starting off with the dark color I'm going to use, I'm going to take this purple right here, and I'm going to put that on the very outer edge of my eye. I'm going to go in with this pink shade right here and put that right next to the purple and blend those together. So what I'm going to do next is take this NYX Vivid Brights liquid eyeliner. This is in the color Vivid Blossom, and I'm just going to go around that cut crease so it looks more sharp and defined. Take a break from the eyes at the moment, and I'm just going to move on to my face. So the first thing I'm going to do is my foundation. Y'all already know my favorite foundation. My Pro Glow from L'Oreal. The day that I find a foundation better than this, I'll let y'all know, but it just ain't happening yet. This foundation is bomb. Like, I tried that Maybelline Super Stay, and it's good, and it's really, really full coverage, but my skin is just too dry for all that. They need to make like the Fit Me, how they have two different lines for that, how they have like the matte and poreless and the dewy and smooth. That's what they need to do with that foundation so that my dry skin can enjoy it too, because I would look crusty as hell after wearing that. That is another one of my favorite foundations. Like, I've been obsessed with the L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation, but the Maybelline Fit Me foundation is bomb too. Okay, so moving on to concealer, I'm using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm in the color Vanilla. My eyeshadow reminds me of Lisa Frank. Shout out if you remember Lisa Frank. See, I'm filming this, but that will go up first, so you guys should have already seen it. Is my pregnancy update. And the one thing I didn't mention in there was a name. We do have our name. Finally. That is like the hardest thing ever. That was so hard, naming a human. But we do have our name. We are not announcing it yet. Not like it's like some huge deal or like huge surprise, but we just want to keep it to ourselves right now. And then I'm gonna announce it at my baby shower. So that's exciting. My baby shower will be vlogged. You guys will see that. I'm so excited for my baby shower. I'm not really doing the planning because you're not really supposed to plan your own baby shower most of the time, apparently. I don't know. But okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and set my makeup with my Coty Airspun powder. So I haven't been baking lately. I have just been like pressing the powder into my skin with my beauty blender. Just because I feel like it was picking up, like baking, sometimes it's too heavy for dry skin. Okay, so going back to the eyes, I'm going to do the underneath. Let's see. I'm going to take this blue right here. And I'm going to pop this on the lower lash line. Moving on, I'm going to just do my wing. Do my wing. And then okay, so my eyes are done. I'm going to move back onto my face. I'm using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Oh, it smells so good. I'm just going to bronze up my face. And then I'm going to take my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette and I'm just going to contour. Next, I'm going to take my all-time favorite blush, which is the Milani blush in Sweet Rose, and I'm just going to apply that to my cheeks. Okay, then I'm going to take my Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Rose Gold, and I'm just going to take my beauty blender with that, and I just kind of pinch it. And apply that to my cheekbone. They seriously need to come out with more shades because I love this so much. Okay, last but not least, moving on to lips. This has been my favorite lip combo lately. This is the NYX Butter Lipstick in the color Pops. And I I just apply that all over my lip. And then I take NYX Lip Lingerie in the color Lace Detail, and I just put that right on top. And then it just makes like a really nice mauve nude. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's super, super colorful, which I haven't been doing that much lately, so it's fun to do. You know. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Make sure to follow my Instagram, link down below. And make sure to put any recommendations down in the comments or things that you guys want to see, videos you want to see. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!